Hello guys, welcome to PTK. We are going to discuss about Python operators. What are Python operators? Python operators are used to perform operations of variables and values. Python divides the operations in the following groups. They are arithmetic operators, they are assignment operators, they comparison operators, they're logical operators, they're identity operators, they are membership operators, and last is bitwise operators. So now I'm going to tell you about arithmetic and assignment operators. So what arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, module, exponential, and float division. So let's go through them. So let me make an variable name x and another variable name y. So x is equal to 10 and I'm going to keep, so let me give, so x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. First let me use the first operation called plus. It's an arithmetic operator. So let me keep print, then I'll keep x plus y. So what does it come? So it comes x plus y, and y is for x and the value of y is 3. So it comes at 5 plus 3. Let's execute it and see what does it happens. So let's see. 8, because 5 plus 3 that's 8. But if I keep minus, what does it come? Because 5 minus 3 equals 2. If I keep multiplication, it comes 15. And if I keep division, so I want to tell you about explanation. What's explanation? If I give x by the, it means x by the power of y. If I execute it, it came 125 because x to the power of 5, even you can say 5 to the power of 3 becomes 25. So let me tell you the difference between division, modules and float division. You know division, right? For example, if I give 6 divided by 3, it comes to quotient. So module is same like division, but it divides, but we use division to get the answer, but we use module to get the remainder. If I just change it into modules, it comes 0 because it's the remainder. If I keep this, you know what's the meaning of this? Yeah, it's called a float division. Float division is same like division. It comes to quotient. But if I give x float division by, let's see what does it do. If I, let me keep division first so that we can discuss what it's about. It comes a decimal number. But if I keep float division, what's the difference? Modules will give reminders. Division it gives a quotient. What's the difference? I'll say you. If it when I execute it, it came the whole decimal number. But if I give this, it comes the quotient only, but it won't give decimal number. So we use float division in these cases. So let me say you about the next, that is assignment operators. So what is assignment operators? Let me show you what is it. Let me show you what are the assignment operators. So assignment operators are equal. That's the simple assignment operator. To make more assignment operators, we join arithmetic and assign the simple assignment operator, that is equal, and join. So you see arithmetic plus and then keep equal, and minus equal, multiply. So if I want to change the value of x, but I want to use the old value as well, I simply keep x equals x plus y. That means I am changing the value of x by replacing x, the old value of x, and y. So, and after, let me print here x even at the same here as well. So if I execute it, what did happen? Before it was 5. Y became 8 because it came 5 plus 3 is 8, and it's stored in the x. But if you want to do it in a different way, we use x equal, or let me show you. Let me do it x. First we should keep x, that for one, then keep plus, then keep equal, then we keep y. If I print it, it came the same. So we use this. If I keep it minus, first it will do the value, then it gives the answer. 2. If I keep multiplication, it came 15. And if I give explanation, it came 125. If I kept division, it came 1.6. If I keep low division, it came 5.1. And if I keep module, it kept as 2. So we use arithmetic and assignment operators like this. Let us meet at the next episode. For now, bye bye. But if you like our video, please subscribe and press the like button. Bye bye.